Hi friends, welcome to Laxmice 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about len function in Tableau. Len function is nothing but length function in Tableau. Let's get started. The length function in Tableau returns the character count or length of the string specified. So the example is right below, which is nothing but len of Tableau equal to 7. So inside length function, we'll be passing a string or a character to get the length of the string specified. Let me open Tableau desktop application and explain length function with a scenario. I have opened Tableau desktop application and I have taken sample superstore data and I have created a new sheet and renamed it as length function in Tableau. First, let me bring a column to explain the length function with a scenario. So to explain the length function with a scenario, I'm taking city column and bringing it to rows and I'm right clicking on city to create a calculated field. This is one way of creating a calculated field. So as soon as I click on city, right click on city dimension, I get this menu. I have a list of options and under the list of options, we have a create menu. So within the create menu, we have an option called calculated field. I'm clicking on that and inside I'm writing the calculation len. I'm using this len function and putting the city column inside it. So before applying the calculation or renaming the calculation, I just want to show you the different kinds of functions available in Tableau. So we have different kinds of functions available in Tableau and it is categorized as all, and I have clicked on all functions and we have the different functions displayed over here. Length is a string function, so I'm clicking on string function to show the list of string functions available, and we found the length function and I have clicked on it. So the syntax is like this: len of string. So we'll be passing the string inside length function to get the length of the character or the string. So here we have the description available as well. So for every function listed under the string functions, we have the description, a syntax and example available over here so that you can refer to it and use it in your workbooks. So here they have provided the description, returns the number of characters in the given string. As I said, it will return the number of characters in the given string. So here we have an example, length of calculation equal to 11. So if you count it individually, the letters provided within the string, you will be getting the 11 as a return. So here what I am doing is length of city I have taken. So this will give me the length of each and every city we have under this dimension. So I'm renaming it as length and I'm clicking on OK. I'm bringing the length to text, and as since it is a measure, always will be Tableau will be performing the aggregation operation. To avoid that, I'm right clicking on the length and changing it to dimension and changing it to discrete so that we'll get the individual values. So for each and every city, we get the length of the city or the string provided. So we have different strings. So city is a dimension and it consists of different cities available. So each and every string or each and every city is considered as a string passed to the length function and it will return the length of the particular city name provided. So for Aberdeen, it is 8. For Alexandria, it's 10. For Albuquerque, it's 11. And the same way, it differs for each and every city. So now let me take a scenario. For example, I wanted to see only the cities whose length is greater than 5. So let me edit the calculation and show you how it can be done. So I'll create a fresh calculation to do that. So what I'm going to do is length greater than 5. So what it does is we have already created a calculated field length, so which is nothing but length of city. If the number is greater than 5, then only we will be getting the cities listed whose length is greater than 5. Length flag. I've renamed it as length flag and I'm clicking on OK. So let me bring this flag to filter shelf and click on true. And I've clicked on OK. So now we have only cities whose length is greater than 5. So let me edit the flag again and change it to 10 so that we'll be getting the less number of values and it will be easy to identify the change. Or let me give 11 for the same scenario. So now you'll be able to see the cities whose length is greater than 15. So at times you'll be getting, at times you'll be facing some real time scenarios like, for example, if you want to compare the cities, customers, or products whose length is of greater than 5 or 3 or anything which comes to your mind. So in that case, you'll be using length function and get the number of characters and get the cities or customers or the any dimension related to that particular length and use it in your workbook. This is how you can use the length function in Tableau.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Lagsmiths31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.